What's up, folks? Hope everybody's having the greatest Sunday. This is what every homeowner in Florida should know. This is another bit of information that should help you decide to buy in this market. So here's Florida's latest property tax legislation, right? Governor Ron DeSantis, he recently signed Senate Bill 4F into law. And while it doesn't lower your property taxes today, it does make it much harder for local governments to raise them without greater transparency and accountability. So here's what's changed. Before cities, counties, and other local governments can increase property tax revenues, they now face stricter requirements. They must provide more detailed notices explaining why taxes are increasing, making it easier for homeowners to understand where their money's going. That's not it. The Florida legislature also passed a new law requiring local governments to make their proposed budgets much more accessible to the public. Counties and municipalities must publicly disclose their budgets in a way that's easier to find, easier to read, and more transparent, usually on a website. The goal is simple. It's to let taxpayers see exactly how their tax dollars are being spent before decisions are being made. Now, these new transparency measures are designed to give Florida homeowners more information and a stronger voice in the budgeting process. So now, looking at what's coming, Florida voters will decide in November 2026 whether to approve a constitutional amendment that would increase the homestead exemption on non-school property taxes from $50,000 to $150,000 beginning January 1st, 2027, and then to $250,000 beginning January 1st, 2028. Now, if this is approved by at least 60% of voters, many homesteaded properties could see lower taxable values and reduced property tax bills, although the school district property taxes wouldn't be affected. Yes, it does not include the school portion. But currently, the assessed value of non-homesteaded properties, such as rental homes, second homes, commercial properties, and many investment properties, can increase by up to 10% per year for non-school taxes. This proposed constitutional amendment would reduce that annual cap on increases in the assessed value of most non-homesteaded properties from 10% to 5% beginning January 1, 2027, if it's approved by at least 60% of Florida voters. So there's some relief here for the investors and the homeowners with rental properties. Now, here's another reason why taking advantage of this market is so important, right? If you don't establish homestead before January 1, 2027, you'll have to wait 5 years to get the increased exemption. Why not save money now? Why not take advantage of it in this market now? With all the savings and the negotiated